Here we go. Box of History of Hockey, Preds fan. Box number 3. We're just about halfway through this master case. Still no painting, nothing massive at all on the entire master, so. Oh boy. From 0405 in the game NHL franchises, autograph, Dennis Potvin. Potvin autograph from franchises. From 0506 Black Diamond, Jimmy Howard, rookie gems. Let's see a big auto. The Bork was nice, but whoa, weird. I haven't seen one this recent. From 2010 Black Diamond, Daniel Alfredsson. Weird. Daniel Alfredsson from Black Diamond. Huh. Interesting. Controversial Cup winner. Very cool looking card. Brett Hull. I like the way that one looks. Brett Hull. Controversial Cup winner number /40. 2-color jersey. So Preds fan.